In this episode, we'll talk about the short vowel U sound. Most words in the English language have a vowel in them. The letters A, E, I, O, and U are all vowels. The letter Y is a vowel too when it isn't in the beginning of a word. The letter U has many sounds, but the short U sound makes the sound like an umbrella. Examples of short U words are umbrella and gum. The U in both words makes the sound. Now, let's try to spell this short U word. Let's spell mug. Sound it out. What letters do you hear? That's right, M-U-G. There are also ways you can use short U to help you read. When a word has one vowel and the vowel comes at the beginning of the word, the vowel is usually short, like an up. Now, when a word has one vowel and comes between two consonants or a CVC word, it's usually a short sound, like in fun and tub. Now that you've learned about the short U sound, let's see if you can answer these questions. Which one of these words has a short U sound? Hot or bun? You're right. Bun has a short U in it. I wonder how you spell sun. You're right. You spell it S-U-N. I hope you like this lesson on short U sounds. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. And don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.